One quiet night, the moon felt a tickle in its nose. Oh no, it thought. Not again. Achoo! The sneeze was so big it shook the stars. On Earth, Ella woke up. She looked out her window and gasped. The moon sneezed. Sorry, sniffled the moon. I think I'm allergic to comets. Ella Rio. You sneezed the Big Dipper into a rubber duck. The moon peeked at the stars. Oops, last time I turned Orion's belt into a spaghetti noodle. Ella giggled. Don't worry, Moon. I like ducks and spaghetti. The moon smiled. Good, because I feel another sneeze coming. Achoo! This time the stars spelled oops. Ella laughed so hard she fell off her bed. From that night on, the moon's sneezes made the stars funnier. And Ella never missed a show. The end.